Hello, hello, this is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. Today we're going to make this adorable loaded pocket. This one's a little bit different because it has a gusset, which means it can hold more tags, journal cards, and embellishment without getting too tight. While we're working, I want to share this is part of the Bible symbolism class, the Mountains and Valley lesson. In Scripture, where mountains are placed, heaven meets earth, where God reveals his plans, gives directions, and draws us close in the valleys. On the other hand, where our faith is tested, where growth happens in the quiet soil of dependence. Both are part of the same journey with him. Now, this is the part about the gussets. All you have to do is take these two little scripts and score at 1/2, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. You're just going to make these little gussets and accordion fold them and glue them to your pocket. Staple the end to make a little fan. Accordion fold the second gusset, staple it, and then glue the long end to put on the back of the pocket. Repeat with the other side. Now glue that end to place on your large base. Line it up carefully. And let that sit a minute. I usually don't use glue, but since I have, we need to let this set a minute. Now let's move on to the third pocket. And I'm using score tape here. You can use glue. You could also put a gusset on this pocket if you wanted to make another one. Just use some scraps. Now let's put the title on. There are seasons when God gives us mountaintop moments, times of clarity, joy, and breakthrough. And then there are valleys where the path feels shadowed and hard. But even in those low places, his presence is steady. Elijah went from calling down fire on the Mount Carmel to hiding in a valley of fear. But God met him there with a gentle whisper. Just like this pocket needs height and depth to work, our spiritual life needs mountains and valleys to shape us. In the Bible symbolism class, there are 9 cards in every lesson. Each of the 9 cards highlight a different part of the mountain and valley lesson. The mountain, the valley, the hill, the peak, ascent, descent, path, glory. Together they tell the full story of God's presence in every season of our lives. I type my notes in Photoshop. You can also do it in Canva, free, or you can do it by hand. I hope you enjoyed making this little loaded pocket. Keep reflecting on our mountains and valleys lesson. Keep your journal cards handy so you can reveal these truths at any time, especially when you're going through a valley. It's a good thing to review. I can't wait to see how you decorate yours. Share your photos and ideas with us in the Facebook group. I will see you there. Bye-bye for now.